All right, problem number 14. In the figure at the right, we have that the measure of angle DAF, I'm going to use my highlighter to kind of look at this. The measure of DAF, so that's DAF, this whole angle, is 18x minus 3. 18x minus 3. That's a little silly. Find the indicated measures, especially if we know that, and let's look at this other piece of information, that DAC equals EAF. All right, that means when we're marking our diagram, if they have equal measures, that means they're congruent. So DAC, this angle, put that in yellow so it matches, equals EAF, this angle. All right, so far I don't see any numbers. So I'm going to go with the only thing that we are given, and that is that I know the whole angle DAF, and I know each part of it. So by the angle addition postulate, we know that the angle DAE, this angle, plus angle EAF, this angle, EAF, equals angle DAF. That's the only thing that we have all three parts of. So we are going to use that to solve. I'm going to substitute in what we have for each. DAE, based on the diagram, is 13x minus 12. EAF, based on the diagram, is 3 times 2x plus 1. And DAF, we were told in the equation, is 18x minus 3. All right, I'm going to simplify the complicated left-hand side first. We've got 13x minus 12 plus, and now I'm going to distribute that 3, 6x plus 3 equals 18x minus 3. Let's combine all our like terms. On this side, we have 13x plus 6x, which is 19x, negative 12, and 3, which is minus 9. I'm going to move my 18x to the other side, and I end up with 1x. 19x minus 18x is 1x, minus 9 equals negative 3. Add my 9 to both sides, and I end up with x equals 6. That is the answer to my first question. All right, now that we have that, we want to go back and we want to find all the other angles that we did not know. So FAE was equal to 3 times 2x plus 1. 3 times 2 times 6, because x is now 6, plus 1, which is 3 times 12 plus 1, or 13, which is 39. 39 degrees. Now, I know that the next question is asking me about DAE, but I want to go back because on my diagram, I know that EAF is congruent to CAD, which means CAD has to have that same number as well. So if this is 39 degrees, then this is 39 degrees also. Okay, I don't see that as a question, so I'm not going to be able to answer that right now, but I think it might be useful. Going on to the next one, I'm going to look at angle DAE. Angle DAE was 13 times x, which is now 6, minus 12. 13 times 6 minus 12. 13 times 6 is 78, minus 12. And 78 minus 12 is 66 degrees. So I'm going to answer that one, 66 degrees. All right, moving on. DAF. That was the one we were given up at the front. So angle DAF equals 18 times that x, which is, once again, 6, minus 3. 18 times 6 is 60 plus 48, so that's 108 minus 3, which is 105 degrees. All right, and then finally, they want us to find CAF. Well, CAF is the same thing as, look at this really quickly, CAF is equal to CAD plus DAF. And we already filled in that CAD was 39, and that DAF, we just found out, that number was 105. So what's 39 plus 105? That's 144 degrees.